Hi students, welcome to the problem solving session on periodic signal. So we have to check whether the following signals are periodic or not. If yes, find the fundamental period. Here you see all the signals are composite signal. When we have two signals, a signal is composed of two different signals. How to check periodicity? The condition is we have to check the periodicity of first signal and T1, find the fundamental period, then check the periodicity of second signal, find the fundamental period T2. If the ratio of these two period is rational, that is equal to ratio of integer, then this is a periodic signal. Otherwise, it is aperiodic signal. So let us see that first one is x of t is equal to 3 cos 2 pi plus 5 sin 3 pi. X of t is equal to 3 cos 2 pi t plus 5 sin 3 pi t. Okay. So first, this is let us assume x1 of t, this is x2 of t. Find the fundamental period of this one t1. This is individually they are periodic. So, but together whether they are periodic or not, that is the question. Fundamental period of first one is 2 pi by omega. Omega is 2 pi. So it is 1 second. What about t2? T2 is 2 pi by omega 2. Omega 2 is 3 pi. So it is 2 by 3 second. Okay, fine. So we got T1 and T2. What we have to do now? We have to find the ratio of T1 by T2. T1 is 1, T2 is 2 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 2. It is a ratio of integer, that means it is rational number. These two are integer, ratio of integer, so this is a rational number. This implies x of t is periodic. Right, from here only we conclude x of t is periodic. How to test the periodicity? Find the periodicity. You find t1 by t2, that is equal to t, fundamental period. So what is the t1 by t2? T1 by t2 is equal to, we know t1 by 2, t2 is equal to 3 by 2, that is equal to t. Fine. So we can simplify that. 2t1 is equal to 3t2. Cross multiply. This is equal to t. What is our t1? So you can find t from this implies t is equal to 2t1 or t is equal to 3t2. What is t1? T1 is 1 second. T2 is 2 by 3. If you substitute any value, you will get the same answer. T1 is equal to 1 second means 2 into 1, 2. T2 it is 2 by 3. So it is equal to 2. So it should be like this. Then only our problem is right. Otherwise it is wrong. So what is the fundamental period? T is equal to 2 seconds. It's a periodic with fundamental period 2 seconds. Okay, this is what first question. What about the second question? Second question is talking about 5 cos 4t plus 3 sin pi t. 5 cos 4t, 5 cos 4t plus 3 sin pi t. That is equal to x of t. So as usual, we find t1. T1 is given by 2 pi by omega 1. Omega 1 is 4. So this is pi by 2. Fine. Similarly, we find T2. T2 is equal to 2 pi by omega 2. Omega 2 is this pi. So that is equal to 2. What we need is 2 by T1 by T2. T1 by T2 is given by pi by 2 divided by 2. It is pi by 4. It is not ratio of integer. Pi is not an integer. So it is not integer by integer. It is not is a ratio of integer. This means it is not rational. Right? Pi is not integer. Right? So it is not ratio of integer. Ratio means numerator and denominator. So therefore you can say it is aperiodic signal. Okay. Second one. Very simple. What about the third one? Third one is 3 cos pi t plus into again 3 cos 3 cos pi t into 3 cos pi t. So this is a multiplication. For that also the same logic applies. 3 cos pi t cos 3 pi t, right? So third one is x of t is equal to 3 cos pi t into cos 3 pi t. Fine. So here also follow the same principle, right? So what is my first t1? T1 is given by 2 pi by omega 1. Omega 1 is pi. So 2. T2 is given by 2 pi by omega 2. Omega 2 is 3 pi. So it is 2 by 3. What about T1 by T2? T1 by T2 is given by 2 by 2 by 3. It is 2 cancel 3. That is 3 by 1. So this implies rational ratio of integer by integer. So this is a periodic signal, right? So what about periodicity? We know that T1 by T2 is equal to 3 by 1. That is equal to T. T1 is equal to 3T2. That is equal to T. What is T1? T1 is T1 is 2. T2 is 2 by 3. So T1 is 2. T2 is 2 by 3. So what is my T? This implies, anyway, both are giving the same answer. T is equal to 2 seconds, right? So this is the way the problem can be solved. Fine. Next one is, what's the question? Okay. This is what question? 2 cos, right? So it is 2 cos, fine, right? Sorry. It is 2 cos 2 pi t plus 3 cos 3 pi t plus pi by 2, right? So let us write this equation here. Let me do here, right? 2 cos 2 pi t, 3 cos 3 pi t plus pi by 2. 2 cos x of t is given by 2 cos 2 pi t plus 3 cos 3 pi t plus pi by 2 plus 3 cos 3 by t plus pi by 2 plus 2 sin 5 pi t minus pi by 4. 2 sin 5 pi t minus pi by 4. 2 sin, okay, sorry, it's getting delayed. 2 sin, it is 2 sin 5 pi t minus pi by 4. Let us see that. Right, first we find, as usual, find T1. T1 is given by 2 pi by omega 1. Omega 1 is 2 pi. So it is 1 second. T2, 2 pi by omega 2. Omega 2 is 3 pi. So 2 by 3. Next T3, 2 pi by omega 3 is 5 pi. That is 2 by 5. Right? So now we have to find the ratio of integer. First, if you want to find these three are periodic signal, find T1 by T2, which is a ratio of integer or not. T1 is 1, 2 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 2. Yes, ratio of integer. So it will be okay. Right. Next, we are also finding this. Now, don't conclude now itself. Again, you find T1 by T3. T1 by T3, T1 is 1, it is 2 by 5, that is equal to 5 by 2. So this is also rational because ratio of integer. This is also rational, right? So this is periodic signal. Both the conditions are satisfied. So it is periodic signal. Now we have to find the periodicity. That is a critical job. Let us see how to do. So T1 is 1 second, T2 is 2 by 3, and T3 is 2 by 5. So you see this one repeats after every 1 second. Signal 2 repeats after every 2 by 3 second. Signal 3 repeats after every 2 by 5 second. So when they collectively repeat, so in order to find it, just take make it first integer. So let us multiply this by 15, common factor is 15. So if you multiply that, it will become 15. This is 2 by 3 into 15, 10. Here 2 by 5 into 15, again 6. Right? Multiply everything by 15, common multiplication. Right? So now they are whole number. So T1 repeats for every 15 seconds, T2 repeats every 10 seconds, T3 repeats every 6 seconds. So when they repeat together, that is what fundamental period for all the three. So we have to find the LCM of 15, 10 and 6. So surely it will be where they will repeat at 30. Yes or no? This is a common multiple. 30 is the least common multiple, right? 6 is 30 divided by 6, 30 divided by 10, 30 divided by 15. So this is the least common multiple of all the three numbers. So fundamental, otherwise you find LCM, that will also give the same answer. So the fundamental period of the given signal is 30 together, right? So LCM is 30. So sorry, LCM we got it. So what is my T naught fundamental period? Let us take this is LCM only. T naught is given by LCM because we have divided everything, multiplied everything by 15. No, that has to be removed. So we have to divide the answer by 15. So it is 30 by 15, 2 seconds. Why I divide by 15? That is the reason, right? So this is what you can call, this is T naught and fundamental period is T, right? So LCM by 15. If you don't make any multiplication or if you don't do any manipulation here, the answer is direct one. You don't need to divide by 15. Please understand it. Okay, so here we have to divide LCM by 15 because I have multiplied by 15, so that has to be removed. Now we find T1. What is the fundamental period of signal 1? So that is given by this T by T1. Right, let us assume T is 0, 1 fundamental period. So T is 2 seconds, T1 is 1 second, so it is 2 seconds. Similarly, fundamental period of T2, T0, 2, right? So during the second one, it is given by what you call T by T2. T is a formula, general formula. T is given by 2 seconds. T2 is we know 2 by 3. So 2 cancel, it is 3 seconds. Fine. Similarly, what about T03? That is T by T3. So we know T is 2, T3 is 2, 2 by 5. So it is 2 into 5. So it is 5 seconds. Right? So this is the thing. Right? This is what fundamental period of signal x1 of t. This is fundamental period of signal x2 of t. This is fundamental period of signal x3 of t. Clear? This is the common fundamental period 2 seconds. Okay. So this is the way we can get the answer. Right? These are all formula. Right? So if you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify all your doubts. Thank you.